Take one of both of us once.
Okay. There's a picture of Janny just hanging out at the palm tree. Okay. There's a picture of Roberti, her best friend.
The lens is gonna
Alrighty. And then there's Tommy. He's hanging in here too on the beach. So let's luau. Alright, let's have a aloha. Good.
We were eating over there just moments ago. It was a delicious dinner and Tommy treated us. Thank you, Tommy. Here's Mama's Fish House sign. It's a very nice place. This restaurant has been here since 1973. It's really old and it's a very nice place to eat. Classy, delicious, beautiful ambiance, wonderful place. It's a little color in the clouds. It's getting on nighttime pretty soon.
Sacrifice himself.
That's a parrot in the palm tree.
Doing a self-sacrifice.
Yeah, over the tiki torches.
He thought he'd bake himself like a chicken.
Oh!
Maybe he found a warm spot. What a hambo.
He's a show-off. What beaks they have. I think this parrot lives around here somewhere. And he comes out at eventide to amuse all the diners at Mama's Fish House.
Great ones. Come on, babe. Come on, babe. Surprise us all. Fly over here under my hand. Come on. Come on, buddy.
It's like the bird in Rio.
He likes having his picture taken. He's a big ham.
See your beautiful colors.
He says, I know I'm beautiful.